Today we will be testing a 30-minute day trading strategy. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel. You can find a link below to join us on Discord. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 30-minute day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 151 different strategies, with 53 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 86% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex strategy with the Z-score probability indicator. We've also tested a total of 994 indicators, with 419 of them being winners. Now, keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we're testing a 30-minute day trading strategy. And so the source video says Tradingview's most reliable buy-sell signal indicator, 100% profitable day trading strategy. So of course, we know right off that that claim isn't true, because no strategy, no indicator is going to be 100% profitable. At some point, you're going to take a losing trade. It's just the nature of trading. And so the rest of the claim, we'll see how it fares when we test this strategy. So go ahead and turn off these indicators here. The first indicator you'll want to add to screen is going to be the triple confirmation chronal regression overlay, this one right here. And so you go ahead and click that there, add it to the screen, and it will look similar to this right here. Let's go into the settings, and we're going to make a few modifications here in the inputs. The bandwidth, you're going to change that to 30. The width, you're going to change it to 2.4, and the OBOS border, you're going to change that to 2, and then you're going to scroll down to shading and change that to 90 and click OK. It'll then look like you see on screen now. Alright, the next indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the ADX and DI histogram, this one right here. You'll add that to the screen and it will look kind of similar to this right here. Let's go ahead and go into the settings, and the first thing that will change is the length to 16, the threshold to 20. We'll then hit the style. We're going to change color 0 through color 4 to this vibrant green, the color 5 to the color 9 to this vibrant red, and we're going to bump up the opacity on all these to 100%. Then we're going to scroll down and we're going to uncheck the ADX line right here. Click OK, and it'll look like this right here. So what we're looking for is the triple confirmation indicator here on top to switch colors. So you see how it's switching from the light blue color there to the purple color. And so when we get that switch in the coloration, we are then looking for it to break this center line. And so right here you can see we switch to purple. We then come down and close below this center line right here. We're then going to look down to the ADX, and it has a red bar right there. That's going to be all the signal that we need to enter a short position. We're going to set our stop right above this band. It's kind of hard to see, but there's a very faint band right here. And we're going to set our stop right at that band, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get. Alright, so it takes just a little bit. We kind of run into consolidation, but we then eventually make that push to the downside there, getting us to our take profit. Alright, and for a long trade, what we are looking for is that coloration of the triple confirmation, switching from the purple to the light blue or the cyan, whatever you want to call it there. And then we're looking for price to close above this middle band right here. And when it does that, once again, we're looking for the ADX to have a green bar. When all that lines up, we're then going to enter into a long trade. We're going to set our stop again right down here below this very faint line right here, and we are then going to target that 1 to 1.5 risk reward like so. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get. Alright, so again, it takes a little bit. We kind of just stall out in this zone before we make this push up there, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy. Was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a Tradingview indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy here. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 11 winning trades and 39 losing trades, putting us at a 22% win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your gain would have been $6,600. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. So your drawdown would have been $15,600 altogether, with a total drawdown or a total negative of $9,000 using this strategy. So definitely not the most reliable buy-sell signal indicator on TradingView. It didn't even give us buy-sell signals, so a quite confusing statement from the source video. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex Strategy, which I've mentioned a few times before already in this video. During that same period of time, we did 26 trades altogether. We had 22 winning trades and 4 losing trades, putting it at an 84% win rate. On the winning side, if you were looking to gain the same $600, you would have gained $13,200. On the losing side, you would have lost $3,120 for a total gain of $10,080. So significantly better win rate and significantly better profits altogether. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and you do have to maintain your Patreon status. So it's super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading strategy. Let's go ahead and go over the signals from the last week. And so what we're doing is we're tracking the signals from the Academy of Forex Strategy each week on these specific Forex pairs, these 4 Forex pairs, this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame, and so this is not from this week, but last week. And so during that week, we did 11 trades altogether on the Forex pairs. We had 6 winning trades, 5 losing trades, a 54% win rate for a small drawdown of $300. On the crypto coin, though, we had 2 trades, 2 winning trades, a gain of $1,200 with a 100% win rate. And so the total gain there would have been $900 on the week. And so total for the last 5 weeks, we would have been at $14,080. So this just shows the reality of trading. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you're going to have good weeks, you're going to have bad weeks, you're going to have good days and bad days. The idea is to have very small red days and the best, largest green days that you can have. As you see here, that even on the weeks that we have a drawdown, it's very small, but on average our winning weeks are around $4,000. This is the reality of trading. This is exactly how a profitable strategy should be functioning. I could easily just claim that we have winning trades every single week without showing anything regarding the actual trades, but I want to be realistic and let people know what is actually the capabilities of the Academy of Forex Strategy. So that's it for this indicator here. This one's going to go on the no list. The biggest problem with this one is that the core functionality of it is the pivot of a single line, and in our testing of 900 indicators, we've proven many times that this kind of confirmation or this entry indicator of a single line and price action pivoting above and below it is not the way to go. You get over trading, which is why we had so many extra trades on this strategy than we did on the Academy of Forex strategy. And so, like I said, we're going to put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.